Nag-restaurant ka yan, Yuri? 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 Psst, psst. You go restaurant today? How's your feeling, Yuri? You're going here in a restaurant, huh? Are you okay? What do you want to eat? What do you want to order? Tell me, I will make for you. Mr. Yuri,
Where's the menu?
what do you want to order? Mr. Yuri, why you are silent? What do you want to order? I will give it to you. Do you want some steak? Chicken or burger? Okay, I will prepare it for you, okay?
Ako, gusto sa baba.
I will make it now, okay? Behave. Yuri, behave. Go ahead, go down. Yuri! Psst. Why you are here today, Yuri? Yuri, why you are coming here in my restaurant? Yuri! Psst. Hey!